Good day, this is Kevin, Sierra Classic Sports Car in Meta Vista, and I've got the 1972 BMW 3.0 CS, which is now live on Bring a Trailer here in our shop. And I just want to do a quick cold start video, and you can see that about 82 degrees on the radiator hose, which is about the same as the garage floor, give or take. Car's been sitting here overnight. Here's the engine bay. First, there were some questions raised about the shock towers, and I'll post some pictures of that later, but you can still see the factory spot welds on these. They look just fine, and I'm not sure what the comment is there or the concern, but I'm open to be educated on that. Meanwhile, let's do a cold start video. Do this in one shot. Make sure the car is in neutral. Key on. You can hear the fuel pump. It's got a start button down here. There you go. Starts and runs great. It's gonna idle a little high while it's warming up, I think, but see the temp gauge is cold. And there you have it. It sounds good. I'll move out. There you go. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your interest in this car. And please reach out to us or post a comment with any questions.